Okay. So now, as you guys said, you guys want to see the setups and how we can use all those setups, right? So there is a very simple thing that you guys can use. So let's take example from previous 2 weeks on gold, because this is a picture perfect setups you can see on the last 2 weeks, right? So this is our next week, which is currently ongoing. So let me describe you. Just 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So now what I have important thing to tell you guys is you guys only want to use certain setup certain day. Like let's say if we are in a day 3 setup in which we are thinking that market will reverse, right? So we are looking on the reversal setup, right? So basically what reversal setup is indicated by our either pump and dump or our short squeeze, right? So I will tell you all the setups, how I look, how I take entries, what is my SL, but you have to understand that pump and dump and short squeeze are happening each day. Each day they are happening each day. I will also tell you what's the difference, what is the most probable setup, and what is the least probable setup, right? So you have to understand what is the most probable setup and what is the least probable setup. So on that way you can take a quality trades, and rest you can scalp them for quick money, right? So okay, let me tell you. So here, okay, let's get back to 1 minute time frame. Let's get back to 1 minute time frame, right? Let me see how much data we can see on 1 minute time frame, how far we can go. Yes, okay, so, perfect. So now, so let's say this is our day 2 longs. As I said, these are our day 2 longs. Day 2 longs were in the market, but what happened here? 1 minute. Yes, okay. Now what happened here? Let's see. This is our 24, this is our 23, and this is our 24, right? So here what happened at 8? This is our Asia box, this is our London box, and this is our New York box, right? So what happened here? As you can guys see, Asia pumped the market higher, right? So this is the pump and this is the dump, right? So usually I don't trade in Asia, but you guys can see. Just wait a minute. No share. Let me share my trading view. Yes, right. Here you can see easily how I am taking trades, because here I have indicator, so I can tell you. So till this day, we are in. Yes. So till this day, we were in day 3 longs, right? This was our day 2 longs. This was our day 3 longs. Market pumped higher in London, right? Market again came back to the London's low. This is the London's low, right? Market again came back. And what are you aiming here to see? That you have to go for upside. Now, usually when you are going for upside, you will look for short squeeze setup, right? Actually, this is also can be treated as pump and dump. This is pump and this is dump, right? Right to the this low. This is a dump, right? So you have to find where are we in the day cycle and what are we doing, which kind of status we are finding, right? So here, as you know, the reversal is coming. As you know, the reversal is coming, right? So here again, Asia dumped the market, London before the London market pumped up, dumped again, market consolidate to the end of the day. What happened in the next day? Market again rises into Asia, taking out all the highs, because those guys who are selling from this, those guys who are selling from these levels, obviously their SL would be here. Let me show you something. Yes, those guys who are selling from here, those SLs would be here, right above this high. So what happened? Market came down. Market again quickly go to the upside to take out their SLs to close their trades, and then went quickly to the downside, right? To the downside. So this is this kind of setups you have to find, right? So after going this, after market is falling, right? So now you know that you are in the day one shorts, right? So usually we all trade NY sessions, right? We all trade NY sessions. So what is your thinking here? That we have to find a sell setup. We have to find a sell setup, right? Let me show you what is the date here, 28. Yes. So this is the 28 date, right? This is our NY session box. This is the our NY session box, right? Let me just clear up here.